and had also won Best Director Award from RKFME. She became Miss West UP in 2015. She is fluent in languages such as Hindi, English and Punjabi. So before calling Ma'am Anamika on stage, we would like to ask our audience, how much do you know about entrepreneurship?
It is a process of developing, organizing and running a new business to generate profit.
I think it's a bit clear, but to know it clearly, we would like to call Ma'am Anamika on stage. A huge round of applause for her.
Hello, how are you all? Fine. So it was really brief about me. I'm not this much, but there is a correction. Now I am working in IIMT and I am a blessed faculty. Today we have need of this topic to be discussed, and it's really important because if we see that we all are behind the government jobs, we have seen that every parent is having that hope that my child should have government job, but it's not possible. Right? So how many of you are actually interested into government jobs? Wow, that's great. 2 at the back and 1 here. No, it's really good. Government job, getting government job is not that easy, I know that. So we need to work hard and smart too. And how many of us are thinking that we are born entrepreneurs?
What, ma'am?
How many of us are thinking, including faculties, including students and us, how many of us think that we are born entrepreneur? पैदाइशी entrepreneur हैं हम. You call yourself Lala? Wow, that's great. No, actually that's what made point ki when you are born with a silver spoon, you know that. And I feel proud that you consider yourself like that. Wow, great. Who is there to help me with the presentation? To make this learning even easy. Thank you so much. What's your name, buddy? Ansh. Thank you. Give a big round of applause. I really like people who take initiative, and we all need to be like that, okay? So you must have seen this poster from past 5 minutes. It's okay, we can go ahead. Okay, so we are talking about entrepreneurs. So today the topic of our presentation or this lecture is going to be empowering entrepreneurs, that is the catalyst for economic growth. Okay, next please. So, बहुत देर से बातें हो रही है entrepreneur कौन है आप में से, who is the born entrepreneur, and you people must have learned that today this lecture is going to be on this subject. अभी हम लोग ना बड़े confused होते हैं कि shit man इतना भारी भरकम शब्द आ गया, इतना बड़ा word, it's not good for you क्योंकि आप अभी बहुत छोटे हो, इतना भारी भरकम शब्द आपके ऊपर डाल दिया, आप समझ ही नहीं पा रहे हो. अभी आप में से business person कितने लोग समझते हैं? ये businessman word is also not right. There are many businesswomen also. Okay, so we need to be very practical. I have seen the cameraman. There are a lot of people who are women, who are doing work behind the camera. So camera person, business person, not the businessman or woman. What is it? Business person. Very nice. We need to be very interactive. Then only I'll come to know if you are getting or not. So now you tell me how many of us are aware about business person. Raise your hand. Businessman जिसको आप 1 मिनट से पहले कहा करते थे, उसी की हम बात कर रहे हैं. Very nice. Like few of us are. वैसे तो सब लोगों को पता है कि businessmen क्या होते हैं. जब आप अपनी कॉलोनी के बाहर जाते हो, सोसाइटी के बाहर जाते हो, to buy anything, so they people are businessmen or businesswomen or business person. Okay, so we can say that entrepreneur जिसको हम बोल रहे हैं, what that is the process of creating or starting a new business venture in order to make a profit. Entrepreneurship क्या होता है? When you run a business, when you do something to make a profit. If, for an example, there is a boy, there is a student who is working for an assignment for his friend. Like Ansh is here. Ansh is doing something for Deepak. Do we have any Deepak in the class? Rahul, Sachin? Are the common names hai? Abhishek, yeah, that's nice name. Okay, so Ansh is doing something for Abhishek. Abhishek did something for Ansh. Okay, like he did something for one subject और second person ने किसी और subject में इनको help किया. What it is called? Help. Okay, but अगर ये किसी का project कर रहे हैं for some other student in other university कि okay I do something for BCA being a part of BBA or BCom, ठीक है, I am ready to do your work because I have knowledge for your subject but I'll get something in return. ये कह रहे कि 500 rupees में मैं आपका एक project बना दूंगा. So what is he doing? He is making the profit. He is running a business now. Okay, so ये जो process है इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Entrepreneurship. इसी को हम लोगों ने business बोला है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट प्लीज। अब जब हम बात करते हैं इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ की, वी ऑल आर कंसर्न अबाउट इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ। इकोनॉमी बोले तो मनी, कैपिटल। आपने सुना होगा, कैपिटल टर्म आपके सिलेबस में यूज होता है हमेशा, आपके करिकुलम में होगा। ओके, सो जब आप अपना प्रॉफिट करते हैं बाय डूइंग समथिंग, वो बहुत सिंपल है कि आपका इकोनॉमी तो ग्रोथ होनी है। कैसे? जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभिषेक इज अर्निंग समथिंग, ओके, इफ ही इज अर्निंग समथिंग, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी बहुत अच्छी होगी ना, बिकॉज ही कैन इन्वेस्ट समथिंग ऑन हिज ओन, राइट। इफ ही इज डूइंग समथिंग ग्रेट, हो सकता है स्टार्टिंग में ही विल बी ऑब्सेस्ड विद ड्रेसेस, विद ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, अपने लिए कर रहे हैं, अपनी बुक्स ले रहे हैं, फॉर्म फिल कर रहे हैं, वट एवर ही इज लाइकिंग, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम ही थिंक कि माई फ्रेंड्स आर कमिंग टू माई होम शुड बी गुड, I should have everything at my home जितना मैं कर सकता हूँ. So he'll buy few things like good curtains, okay, good cupboards, maybe a chandelier, good lamps. So now what he is doing? He is doing something for the family. And when you do something for the family, उस family से जो एक community बनती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Region. When you are doing something for you only, still you are doing something for the region, for the state, for the nation. तो आप nation building में और economic growth में कैसे contribute करते हो? By doing something for yourself. Get it? Let me know with the thumbs up if you are getting something. If not, show me thumbs down. I'll explain it again. अब आपको समझ आया कि इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ कैसे रिलेटेड है हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से? या से अलाउड है? यस प्लीज. ग्रेट. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. सो यू मस्ट हैव नोन अबाउट मेनी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जिनको आप बिजनेसमैन, बिजनेस पर्सन बोलते हैं. कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई हु इज इतना अल्ट्रा लीजेंड पर्सन, मतलब जिन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा तबाही मचाई है सोशल मीडिया पे? वी ऑल नो अबाउट हिम. एनीबॉडी?
ट्विटर.
मतलब आपके टीचर इजीली साइन कर देते हैं, बट ये एक टिक देने को रेडी नहीं है. ठीक है, तो ब्लू टिक के ऊपर इन्होंने ट्विटर पे काफी ज्यादा ब्लंडर किया था, बट ही इज डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. इफ यू विल सी, ही इज फाउंडर ऑफ टेस्ला, SpaceX, Neuralink, द बोरिंग कंपनी. He is not boring at all, but still he owns that company. Okay, so we have seen many entrepreneurs in our life, और आपको उनसे इंस्पायर होना चाहिए. But why you should be the entrepreneur, we'll discuss in today's lecture. Okay, we have founder of Amazon. He is also the international personality. Every person from every country knows about the founder of Amazon, founder of Tesla, and founder of Facebook. How many of you knows the name? I call him Zuku. Yeah, I call him Zuku, like, you know, nickname. He is Mark Zuckerberg. We have founder of Apple. So like that, we have many entrepreneurs who are, you know, we all know them because they are working on international level. But there are many entrepreneurs in our country as well. Okay, जिनको हम इन नेम से जानते हैं. Like we know Mukesh Ambani. How many of you know about Mukesh Ambani? Okay, so recently on Instagram there were many stories regarding a center that Neeta Ambani organized or inaugurated. Can anybody tell me the full name? You all like to see what they are wearing on Instagram.
Neeta Mukesh Ambani cultural.
Wow, cultural event. Ups, little mistake, but it's okay. Give a big hand. Very nice. It's NMACC. Stands for Neeta Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center. Okay. So Mukesh Ambani, you are very much aware about. Next we have Ratan Tata, Azim Premji, Kiran Majumdar Shaw, Naveen Tiwari, and if you will see at the varieties, we do not have just one thing. If you will see, they all are working on different things. Okay, next please. We have many more, like 5 more. You must have heard about the Byju's. If you take the online classes, Byju's has taken over Grade Up and also Akash Institute they are collaborating with. Okay, so you must have learned about the Paytm. You all are making Digital India by paying online. So what you are using? UPI. The first device, the first application that we came to know was Paytm, right? Now we have Phone Pay, we have Google Pay, we have WhatsApp Pay and other pays. All right. And we have Vijay Shekhar Sharma. You must have heard about Paytm. Vijay Shekhar Sharma found that. Kunal Bell, Bhavish Sharma, Falguni Nayyar. So you just need to know that a small thing can be concept of your business. Have you ever heard about the MBA Chai Wala? Hands up for him. Wow, that's great. There are many people. Some people are, you know, in front of camera or people came to know about them. But there are a lot of people who are still not on the camera. We are not aware about them. But there are a lot of people doing great job. And when it was the time of pandemic, you know, there is one quote that we say कि आपदा में अवसर ढूंढना. Okay, like abhi I came to know about so many students. They are like, ma'am, we don't have time. Like in my department, in other department also, I had a guest lecture in law department as well. So people from you only, there are so many students from you only. They always say, ma'am, we don't have time. When can we do some extra things? I'm like, when don't you have time? You have a lot of time. When you are passing from a road, you are observing so many things. You can take a few pictures. If you are interested into those things, like, you know, being an entrepreneur is very easy today. How? You can work something on social media as a blogger, as a vlogger, as a photojournalist. You can have your freelancing work. You can be a very good host. Like each and every department is hosting their own event. Today you did not invite an anchor, na? You already have 2 people here, and maybe there are a lot of other students as well who will take initiative in other event. Okay, so if you have those extra things in you, try to make it utilize. You should take advantage of those things. Okay, next please. Now you need to know the importance of entrepreneurship in economic growth. How it is contributing for economic growth. As I told you कि आपका जो अपना विकास है, जो आपका अपना डेवलपमेंट है, वो हमेशा आपके रीजन को डेवलप करेगा. Okay, if you have seen those societies जहाँ पे सब बहुत अच्छे VIPs होते हैं, so आप देखेंगे कि वहाँ के rules and regulations भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. You will never see a high society जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा कूड़ा कचरा फैला होगा. Have you ever seen कि people are going there और वहाँ पे पान थूक के चले गए हैं? It never happens. So they also making their standard. और जब इस तरह की कम्युनिटी होती है, when people are doing good for themselves only, तब भी वो अपने नेशन के लिए, अपने रीजन के लिए, अपने स्टेट के लिए कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे होते हैं. So there is just one mantra, you need to do something for yourself. You will automatically do something for others. Okay, so now let's see how it is contributing for economic growth. First point I have mentioned here, entrepreneurship generates new jobs. Now let's suppose one girl from here is thinking to open a boutique. Okay, boutique where you can sell few outfits, apparels, dresses. Okay, now she thought that I will open a boutique, and she is doing great. There are a lot of people who are buying dresses from there and other stuff, whatever they are selling there. Okay, now she thought that, you know, I alone am not enough. I really need a person. I need manpower. What is manpower? Labor. Okay, this is also one of the mistakes that people do. Why manpower? There are women power as well, no? Okay, so she thought I should have few people, like I really need a receptionist who will take the calls of the clients to make an appointment. Okay, I need a person as a tailor who will stitch the clothes. I need a person who will do the advertising or the promotion. I need a person who can make a website and who will take care, but please have seat. Who will take care of the things if there will be any booking online. Okay, so how many people will be counted? 5. Okay, at the back, am I audible? At the back, am I audible? Show me thumbs up. Okay, great. So, did you see? She was just working for herself, but she created jobs. ऐसे ही जब आप एक छोटा सा बिजनेस करते हो, like MBA चाय वाले का मैंने आपको अभी एग्जांपल दिया. When he started his business, he was the only one doing everything. But today he is not making tea for anybody. He is having a lot of people to do that thing. Okay, and this thought came in his mind just because it's not the part of his syllabus. He was pursuing MBA, but there is one more mantra to get success, that no work is small for you. Each and every work. इसलिए हमेशा आपको रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए स्टाफ मेंबर्स की भी. आई एम डिलीवरिंग लेक्चर हियर. आई एम सो हैप्पी टू टीच यू जस्ट बिकॉज दिस कैंपस प्रीमाइस इज सो क्लीन. अगर यहाँ के स्टाफ मेंबर उसको क्लीन नहीं करेंगे तो मेरा तो मन नहीं लगेगा ना यहाँ पे. आई फील इट्स सो टाइकी, इट्स नॉट हाइजीनिक. आई विल फील दैट माई स्टूडेंट्स शुड नॉट सिट हियर बिकॉज इट्स नॉट क्लीन. सो ईच एंड एवरी वर्क इज हैविंग इट्स ओन स्टैंडर्ड. बट एक ये भी चीज होती है कि किसी काम में आप कैसे खुद से उसका स्टैंडर्ड अच्छा कर देते हो, अपग्रेड कर देते हो. Have you ever thought about it कि एक चाय वाला can run a big business? इतने अच्छे लेवल पे बिजनेस हो सकता है. We never thought about it. Okay, so अब हम कह सकते हैं कि इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हैं कि एक चाय वाला प्रधानमंत्री बन सकता है. तो MBA चाय वाला is like another level. He took degrees, so he became MBA चाय वाला. But there was one more चाय वाला from Gujarat who became Prime Minister. I'm talking about Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, so we are talking about the new jobs. Entrepreneurship new jobs को create करता है. जब आप कोई भी business start करते हो, अगर वो थोड़ा सा भी better होता है, आप उसमें बहुत सारे jobs क्रिएट कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी हैव एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप increases competition. For example, it's okay if she is running a boutique. There can be another girl now who is also good with those things in clothes designing, in dress designing. Okay, for example, if there is a boy who is opening a dance academy, he danced so well and he thought along with the BBA, I will run a dance academy. Okay, so आप सोचते हो कि it will be a very good business because there are a lot of people who are willing to dance, who are willing to learn about the dance, how we dance. And there are a lot of people who really need to learn for their wedding, for their birthday parties and other things, for the functions. Okay, but there is one more person in the same city, in the same market, who is willing to open a dance academy. So have you ever thought about it? उससे कैसे कंपटीशन हो जाएगा? अगर दो लोग सेम ही काम कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे कंपटीशन होना जायज़ बात है. Okay, it's a valid thing. Now IMT is here. I must say, you know, we have a lot of students. We have many seats filled. I have seen many colleges जहाँ पे students भी नहीं हैं. Recently, I came to know about a college. It's in Bulandshahr. I'll not mention it because there can be a few cases against me. So I'm pretty much aware about the media and law both. So there is one college and they were looking after me to hire me just for 1 month to complete the syllabus of their students. Now listen to me carefully. 1 month में वो लोग syllabus complete कराना चाहते हैं because they do not have students. उनके पास हर क्लास में I asked what is the strength, then only I'll be able to tell you an amount now. They were having 1 student in 1 semester. In next semester they were having 2 students, and in the final semester they were having just 3 students. Getting my point? That is also a college. And if we talk about the IMT group of colleges, this is also a college. We cannot define with any other word now. It's also an institution. But look at the difference. It's the competition. So here we are winning. So big hand for IMT. So this is how we create competition. And when competition is there, we create something else as well. I'll tell you after a minute in the next presentation. The next point we have, entrepreneurship drives innovation. If you are being an entrepreneur, you are running a business, you will definitely have some innovation. आप अपने ideas create करते हो, कुछ innovation करते हो आप उसमें, ठीक है? For example, I went to a pizza shop, like मैं pizza shop, or you can say any other like eatable item shop. जब आप जाते हो तो you must have seen a mosquito killer. Have you seen? There is a sound like pat 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 pat. Anybody up? I am not going to give you a treat if you are not raising your hand. Okay, so we have seen. There is another feeling when you go there and mosquitoes are not biting you, but there is just pat pat sound. Getting my point? So this is the difference. How they are being innovative. We have seen videos of few restaurants where a train is serving. You might have gone to sector 18 Noida. There is a plain restaurant. Have you ever heard about it or seen? You go at a height and there you can have dinner. Ma'am is like, yes, I went. Okay, so people are being innovative. You will never like to have costly food or costly beverages to sit at that place where there is nothing, just a hut or just a bench. You will never. And I know you can pay an amount of $200 or $300 for the same coffee that a Starbucks is providing. I'm like, is this Starbucks or Star Sucks? It was not different. I thought they will mix gold, but they didn't. Not a justice with me. Okay, so जब आप innovative होते हो, you have some different ideas. Then only you can be an entrepreneur. So these are the things that are related to economic growth. कैसे आप अपने entrepreneurship में इतनी ज़्यादा important है. Entrepreneurship important है economic growth के लिए, क्योंकि आप इन points को highlight कर सकते हो. आप ये सब कर सकते हो. Next please. All right. And if we talk about entrepreneurship, तो हम लोगों को लगता है कि this word is really new. If you will ask your parent or maybe your grandparents, so they will say entrepreneur, what's that? Or maybe अगर उन्होंने सुना होगा, so they will not be able to define much about it. Not everybody, but few of them. But you know, entrepreneurship तो हमारे यहाँ पे कब से चला रहा है? How many of you know about the 1991 history? Wow, impressive. One, two. Yes, just one liner answer. Anybody?
LPG.
Wow, that's great. Liquid petroleum gas?
No.
I know, okay. Thank you, but wow, very nice. Anybody else? Economic term में क्या हुआ?
New economic policy.
Very nice. New economic policy.
Liberalization.
Okay, liberalization. Privatization?
Globalization.
Wow, that's impressive. Not the slow claps. It was genuinely clap. Okay, so we can say that new economic reform हुआ 1991 में. And you must have heard about the Prime Minister, our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. So, you know, there is not a very good image in our mind, but you don't know about him. We might have seen a picture, a film based on Manmohan Singh. So, he was shown like a puppet because Sonia Gandhi was taken care of everything. Even once when he resisted to resign, he was not permitted to resign as well. So when it's not in your hand, काम करना या ना करना भी आपके हाथ में नहीं, तो फिर तो आप गुलाम होते हो. तो इस तरह की कुछ चीजें हमने देखी. That may be true or not be true. I cannot give any statement on that because I'm not the right person. But if you know about his history, so in 1991 he was the financial minister, and what he did, no one did. That's why he is known as the brain power. He wrote this concept of LPG, if you actually studied about it, and it was the concept of LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization. Just imagine about that world when you were not having freedom to do something. अगर आपको एक प्रोविजन स्टोर, किराना स्टोर, एक कन्फेक्शनर्स भी खोलना है, तो भी आपको लाइसेंस लेने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. इट्स गुड, लाइक हर जगह फॉर्मेलिटीज होती हैं, यू नीड टू फॉलो फ्यू प्रोसीजर्स, बट think about it, if you are getting that license in 2 years or more than 1 year, so it's really hectic. आपकी जो होप होती है ना, वो ही टूट जाती है. ठीक है, आप इतना सोचते हो पहले किसी बिजनेस को रन करने के लिए, बट आप वो नहीं कर पाते. एंड थिंक अबाउट दैट टाइम when there were no private jobs, there were no shops, no private firm, no organization, no institutions, nothing, just government jobs. Now who will tell me the most populous country of the world? Loud please, I heard you. मोस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्री, सबसे ज्यादा जनसंख्या वाला कौन सा देश है? वाओ, वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ दिस थिंग. अरे मैंने कहा प्राउड है बेटा, गर्व है हमें. नो, इट्स इंडिया. चाइना को हमने उसमें भी बीट कर दिया, बट इट्स नॉट गुड. यू नो दिस, इफ चाइना की पॉपुलेशन इससे भी डबल हो जाए ना, स्टिल दे कैन सर्वाइव बिकॉज दे हैव दैट मच एम्यूनिटीज, दैट मच रिसोर्सेज. बट इंडिया के पास मैन पावर है, बाकी चीजें नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं कि ब्रेन नहीं है, बट हमारे पास ब्रेन ड्रेन है. व्हाट इज ब्रेन ड्रेन? यू नो समथिंग, लाइक मैंने कहा ना कि अंश ने एक प्रोजेक्ट किया है, उसको 500 रुपीज मिल रहा है, बट अगर अंश को सेम प्रोजेक्ट करने का एक दूसरा पर्सन 1000 रुपीज दे, तो व्हाई वुड ही वर्क फॉर 500? इज नॉट क्रेजी ना, ही इज नॉट लुकिंग लाइक क्रेजी एट ऑल. ओके, सो थिंक अबाउट इट. जब हमारा इंडिया में हमें इस तरह की चीजें नहीं मिल पाती, तो वी नीड टू गो टू फॉरेन कंट्रीज बिकॉज इट्स एक्सेसिबल. ठीक है, तो अब एक वो चीज सोचो कि जब आपके पास कोई चीजें हैं, आप उनको सेल करना चाहते हो, बट यू हैव अ डिफाइंड टेरिटरी. एक्सक्यूज मी, एट द बैक, काम डाउन. ओके, सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? You will be bound. अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि ठीक है, I am giving permission to the girls to run a business, but see, you can just sell something within the relatives only. I don't want anybody outsider. So आपको कैसा फील होगा? You will say कि relatives तो वैसे पैसे नहीं देते आजकल. It's true, right? So वो तो वैसे ही, अगर सिलाई भी करने की, अरे यार मेरा ऑर्डर कर दे, कोई नहीं, थोड़ा सा काम है, प्लीज कर देना, प्लीज कर दे, ऐसे it happens. Okay? अगर बॉयज की बात करें तो अगर आपको आपकी बाइक रेंट आउट करने के पैसे मिले तो आप पैसे ले सकते हो, बट अगर रिलेटिव ने बोला कि मुझे बोरो करनी है, तो दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अ सिंगल बाक, राइट? आपको एक पैसा नहीं देंगे वो. तो अगर आप उस टाइम के बारे में सोचते हो कि जब आपके पास एक टेरिटरी, एक बाउंड्री है आपके पास कि मैं बस यहाँ तक सेल कर सकता हूँ, और वो बाउंड्री क्या थी आपके पास? जस्ट इंडिया, नॉट एनी अदर कंट्री. यू कैन नॉट क्रॉस एनी पोर्ट. ओके, सो दैट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट. सो 1991 में जब न्यू इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म हुआ, एक न्यू इकोनॉमिक एरा आया, तब आपके पास लिबर्टी आई, आपके पास आजादी आई, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. तब आपके पास प्राइवेटाइजेशन कॉन्सेप्ट आया कि यू कैन हैव प्राइवेट फर्म्स. नाउ इमेजिन अबाउट इट, व्हाई आई आस्क कि मोस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. हमारे यहाँ पे इतनी पॉपुलेशन है, डू यू रियली थिंक सो दैट वी विल हैव दिस मच गवर्नमेंट वैकेंसीज? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. हमारे तो वैसे भी इन्वेस्टमेंट को डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट किया गया है. यू नो अबाउट एयरलाइंस, अबाउट रेलवेज. रेल हमारी, बट पटरी हमारी नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट की नहीं है वो. Private organization are taking care of that. Okay, ma'am, how much time do we have? It was supposed to be from 2 to 3 now, so that's why I'm asking.
3:40 the students leave.
Okay, no problem. I'll just do it. Okay, so now think about it. When we have liberalization, privatization, and globalization, why not to work for you when you have access? Okay, so we need to think about it कि if you want to become an entrepreneur, and it's a really beautiful thing if you will become an entrepreneur. Why? Is there any reason? Like entrepreneurship बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. Anybody at the back? Beautiful faces. Entrepreneurship एक अच्छी चीज़ है. I'm saying this. Why? Any reason? One word reason. Anybody? एक example देती हूँ आपको. Okay? I'm not saying government jobs are not good at all. My father did government job. He was JE in BSNL, and I'm so proud of him. Okay, but for an example, your father is working in a government organization. वैसे तो ये government organization पहले हुआ करती थी जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी, just like LIC, Life Insurance Corporation, but not anymore. For example, your father is working as a government employee, so he is working well. He might have funds, okay? और आपकी शादी में वो काम आ जाएंगे, आपकी education में. But think about that thing. If you are working as a business person, as an entrepreneur, and tomorrow if you have your babies, you have your grandchildren, they can also own your business now. He said that yes, I am a born business person. You said no? So why? Because your father did efforts. Your father made efforts to run a business, and now you are taking over. You are taking care of that, na? So think about it. अगर आप खुद से business करते हो, तो आपके जो coming generation है, उनके लिए भी एक ऑप्शन खुला होता है कि okay, if you want to do this, otherwise you have other options, you can do as per your capabilities. Okay, but now अब हम बताएं कि चलो ठीक है, मैम ने बोला यार entrepreneurship तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, but क्या होना चाहिए आप में? So characteristics क्या है एक successful entrepreneur की? It's not just being an entrepreneur is good. You should be a successful entrepreneur. All right? So characteristics are, अब बहुत सारे लोग ना बहुत डरपोक होते हैं, करेज नहीं होती है कि शिट मैन अगर लॉस हो गया तो. The first idea, or I should say the first mantra to run any business is आपके अंदर दिल होना चाहिए, जिगर होना चाहिए. How? Risk taking power होनी चाहिए आपके पास. आपको कभी benefit का सोचना ही नहीं है. Never ever run any business if you have just 10 rupees in your pocket and you also have an investment of 10 rupees. No, never. अगर आपके पास 10 रुपीज़ है तो आपको बिजनेस करना चाहिए 2 रुपीज़ का, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि उतना ही लॉस आप झेल पाओगे. ओके, सो ऑलवेज अर्न दिस मच कि अगर आप उसमें से जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी है उसको इन्वेस्ट कर भी लेते हो तो आपको कोई फाइनेंशियल लॉस ना हो. इट शुड नॉट लाइक बी ना कि आपने एक ड्रीम देखा, आपने एक बिजनेस रन किया एंड टुमारो यू आर ऑन रोड, योर पेरेंट्स आर क्राइंग विद यू. नो, नेवर. ओके, ऑलवेज हैव दैट मच अमाउंट कि आप एक्स्ट्रा जो आपके पास हो आप उसको इन्वेस्ट करो. एंड वंस यू इन्वेस्टेड एन एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट, उसके बाद जो उससे अमाउंट आए उसको भी मत इन्वेस्ट करो पूरा, उसका भी 50% करो, एंड देन यू विल सी अ ग्रैंड चेंज, अ सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस. ओके, सो रिस्क टेकिंग पावर आप में होनी चाहिए. यू मस्ट हैव थिंक कि लॉस हुआ तो भी बियरेबल है, इट्स ओके. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, दे आर प्रीटी यंग एंड they think no, this is definitely a successful business. I'll invest 1.5 lakh in YouTube and I know me that I am able to do this. I have enough resources. My friend knows this. My ma'am can help me in this. So what you do, you take money from your parents, and that's hard-earned money. Never do that. When you have extra money, use that only. Okay. So risk taking should be there. And in the last slide also we discussed about the innovation. Innovation, अगर creativity आपके पास नहीं है, so you cannot survive. You know why your faculties are doing great today? There are a lot of faculties working in government institutions who were working before the pandemic. I'll tell you an example with that. What happened? बहुत सारे विद्वान अभी भी teachers हैं, okay? जिनको आप Google भी बोलते होंगे, Wikipedia बोलते होंगे, मतलब they are really having a supreme knowledge, okay? But what the problem is, they are not updated. They did not train themselves. आज की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? You must have seen few faculties at the time of pandemic on YouTube as well, on different webinars. आपने देखा होगा कि only their head is visible, nothing else on the camera. Fan is visible on the camera, not them. So what was the problem? उनको टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ ना वो फ्रैंक ही नहीं है. If you are not frank with technology, I bet you if you are not using Facebook or WhatsApp just for 3 months, you will find a grand change. You will see, oh shit, इसमें मतलब ये भी हो गया. The people who were not using WhatsApp for that day when WhatsApp Pay came or the sticker option came, every month there is bug fixing and new updates coming on every social media platform. So problem is, अगर आप update नहीं करोगे ना खुद को, तो आप तो पीछे ही जाओगे. आप बिल्कुल अभी के लायक सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाओगे आप. So जिनको आदत है चौक से बोर्ड पे पढ़ाने की और वो कुछ सीख ही नहीं पाए. लाइक स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो, अगर आप लोगों ने कभी सीखा ही नहीं कि गूगल पे सर्च कैसे करना है, तो आज की डेट में आप AI के साथ काम नहीं कर पाओगे. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज द नीड, और हम लोग अभी गूगल पे अड़े पड़े हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो अबाउट टोम? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो अबाउट ChatGPT? See the difference. I mentioned another term. Now search at home. Okay? हम लोग ना बड़ा पीछे चले जाते हैं कभी कभी, जो ट्रेंडिंग में उसको देखते हैं, बट उससे रिलेटेड बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. ओके, सो इनोवेशन बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. अगर आप इनोवेटिव होगे तो प्रिकॉशन इज बेटर देन क्योर, वी ऑलवेज से. तो जो प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी आपके पास उसका सोल्यूशन पहले ही होएगा. ओके, एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू नॉट यूज AI मच बिकॉज इट विल किल यू वन डे. ओके, सो नेवर एवर बी डिपेंडेंट. आप सोचते हो कि आंसर सही देगा, वो बिल्कुल नहीं देगा, टीचर देंगे सही आंसर, बस. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज पैशन. सी, अगर मैं आपको जबरदस्ती करूँ, आई विल फोर्स यू. आई एम नॉट हियर टू फोर्स यू, आई एम जस्ट हियर टू टेल यू व्हाट इट इज, टू टेल यू द बैड थिंग्स एंड द गुड थिंग्स बोथ. Okay, if I say ki you look pretty good, just do one thing, go for modeling. I did not see how she walk, how she talk. I just saw her face. Okay, if I say, oh, you look damn smart, you must go for acting. I don't know about your acting skills, right? So if you have passion, how many of you are here for BBA? It's BBA, right? BCA also. BBA and BCA. Wow, I'm glad. Hi BCA. I didn't know about you. Okay, so how many of you are actually learning this course willingly? आपको किसी ने force नहीं किया है. Both of you, BBA and BCA, अपने मन से आप पढ़ रहे हो. Now I am expecting कि you all will talk. आप सबको अच्छे मार्क्स लाने चाहिए क्योंकि आप अपने मन से कर रहे हो. Now imagine अगर आपको आपके पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा बाउंड करते लॉ पढ़ने के लिए, तो आप इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते शायद जितना आज कर रहे होंगे. आपको अपनी फैकल्टीज भी नहीं अच्छी लगती, कोई नहीं अच्छा लगता, ना कॉलेज ना डिपार्टमेंट, नथिंग, क्योंकि आप उस चीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड ही नहीं हो. ओके, सो लाइक दैट आपके अंदर पैशन होना बहुत जरूरी है. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू फाइंड व्हाट स्किल्स यू हैव इनसाइड यू, एंड देन यू नीड टू सी कि व्हाट इंटरेस्ट यू हैव इनसाइड यू, इन योर हार्ट. ओके, जब आपको पता चलेगा इन BBA एंड BCA आल्सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. जैसे ये लोग CTEC भी करते हैं, साइबर सिक्योरिटी के कोर्सेज है, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स है, आप अकाउंटेंसी पढ़ सकते हो, CA के लिए लोग आगे जा रहे हैं. तो यू नीड टू फिगर आउट कि वेयर इज योर इंटरेस्ट. So passion is very much important there. If you have passion for something, I have passion for teaching. I really don't care that I am delivering lecture for journalism and mass comm, if it's BCA, law or BBA. I like to teach, I like to interact with the student, that's it. So I found myself कि I am interested into teaching. Okay, so that doesn't make any difference that which student is there. Okay, so passion is must. अगर आपके अंदर वो जज्बा है कुछ करने का, तो यू विल डेफिनेटली डू दैट. मतलब वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट MBA चाय वाला ओनली बिकॉज यू नो हिम. सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. मतलब अ पर्सन इज गोइंग फॉर अ बिजनेस फॉर चाय, फॉर टी. उनके पेरेंट्स ने, उनके रिलेटिव्स ने क्या बोला होगा कि इज दिस अ बिजनेस, चाय. वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर अ MBA डिग्री जस्ट टू मेक अ टी स्टॉल, नॉट एट ऑल. बट कैसे आप उसमें पैशनेट हो, आपको सुकून मिल रहा है उसमें, you are finding peace, that's why you are doing that. So passion is very much important for that. Next please. Next. It's okay, take your time. No challenges. So see, अब मैंने आपको बोल दिया कि सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर आप बन जाओगे, बट देयर लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स, क्योंकि चैलेंजेस भी आते हैं. बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस है हमारे पास. जैसे आपको फंडिंग कौन करेगा. अब मैंने तो बोला कि पेरेंट्स से पैसे नहीं लेने आपको, एंड यू विल ऑल्सो नॉट इन्वेस्ट योर हार्ड अर्न मनी जो एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है आपके पास. सो फंडिंग की हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम है. कभी कभी हमारे रेगुलेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी नहीं हो पाते हैं. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ से वहाँ जाना है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव कॉम्पिटिशन विद एस्टेब्लिश्ड बिजनेस, दैट वी डिस्कस्ड ऑलरेडी. ओके, क्योंकि आपके पास एक और यू आर गिविंग अ डिस्काउंट ऑन मेडिसिन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव अ फार्मेसी, यू आर गिविंग अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 10%, एंड अनदर फार्मेसी जस्ट इन द सेम शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स इज गिविंग अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 20%. व्हाट यू कैन डू? सो कॉम्पिटिशन, दीज आर द चैलेंजेस दैट यू नीड टू face, but you should have a solution for that, and for that we really have support for entrepreneurship. How many of you heard about vocal for local? Vocal for local, that's disappointing if you didn't hear. Vocal for local by Narendra Modi at the time of pandemic to support the local vendors. Yes, raise your hand. जिसने अभी अभी सुना वो भी hand raise करो. Everybody, are you sleeping? Good night. Sleeping? No, very good. ओके सो क्या है, हमारे पास ना गवर्नमेंट फंडिंग भी होती है, गवर्नमेंट एक्चुअली सपोर्ट करती है, जैसे मैंने आपको अभी लोकल फॉर वोकल का एग्जांपल दिया। ओके, रेगुलेटरी बहुत सारे रिफॉर्म्स हमारे पास हैं कि कैसे आप अपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को, अपने बिजनेस को इजीली रन कर सकते हो। आपने देखा होगा, वैसे तो इतने बिजनेसमैन है भी नहीं, बट स्टिल बहुत सारे लोग ना बिजनेस अकाउंट यूज करते हैं व्हाट्सएप का। सो सी देयर लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस। और आप कई सारे शॉपिंग मार्ट ऐसे हैं लाइक डी मार्ट, मेट्रो, वहां पे अगर आप अपना बिजनेस कार्ड लेके जाते हो तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट मिलता है। सो व्हाई दे आर हेल्पिंग यू, सो दैट यू कैन हैव योर ओन बिजनेस, बिकॉज एवरीबडी नोज देयर इज लैक ऑफ गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स, एंड व्हेन देयर इज नो वैकेंसी, हाउ ऑल विल हैव जॉब्स। ओके, सो आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, आपके पास बिजनेस कार्ड्स होते हैं, आपके पास ट्रैवलिंग के लिए भी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, आपके पास एडवांटेजेस हैं, उनकी सपोर्ट से आप कर सकते हो। एंड द थर्ड इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज एक्सेस टू मेंटोरशिप एंड नेटवर्किंग। अब मैंने आपको बोला आपको बिजनेस करना है, बट यू डू नॉट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट बिजनेस जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट है। सो इतने सारे मेंटोर होते हैं, आप यूट्यूब पे देखेंगे, आप टीवी पे देखेंगे, शार्क टैंक, एनीबडी आपको शार्क टैंक, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस, क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया, ठीक है। तो शार्क टैंक, इस तरह के जो प्रोग्राम्स हैं, ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे बिजनेस से रिलेटेड मैगजीन्स आती हैं, उन तमाम चीज़ों से आप हेल्प ले सकते हो। विवेक बिंद्रा, डॉक्टर विवेक बिंद्रा, ही इज़ अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बट एज वेल एज अ बिजनेस पर्सन। ओके, तो बहुत सारे मेंटोरशिप आपके पास हैं जहाँ से आप हेल्प ले सकते हो। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मेंटोर एंड मेंटीज। ओके, नेक्स्ट प्लीज। So in conclusion, we can say that entrepreneurship is a key driver of economic growth. Successful entrepreneurs create new jobs, increase competition, and drive innovation. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number without tie. Yes, you. Yes, you. Next to the cap. The person who is wearing cap, raise your hand. Hat, cap, whatever. Yes, sir, you. Next to you. Stand here. The second paragraph, read it please. Loud.
Governments and organizations can support entrepreneurship by
Yes.
providing क्या है?
Funding,
Funding, reducing regulatory
barriers,
and offering membership program.
membership, no membership, it's mentorship. It's not visible, I guess, from there. That's what I wanted to know. That's why I'm reading everything for you. Okay, so governments and organizations can support entrepreneurship by providing funding, reducing regulatory barriers and offering mentorship programs. जो हमने डिस्कस किया। ओके, सो आपको गवर्नमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करती है, और ये सपोर्ट करने से क्या होता है, आपके जो बैरियर्स मतलब क्या होता है, एनीबडी, वेरी नाइस, बाधाएं, ठीक है, जो आपकी बाधाएं होती है। बैरियर का देखते हो आप, रोड्स पे देखते हो ना, बैरियर लगा देते हैं पुलिस वाले जहाँ पे रोड स्टॉप करना होता है। ओके, सो जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उनको सोल्यूशन के लिए आपके पास सपोर्ट होता है। सो दिस वाज इट फ्रॉम माय साइड। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग दिस, यू कैन आस्क। एनीबडी अप फॉर क्वेश्चंस? यस प्लीज। Very afternoon.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the difference between an entrepreneur, business person and an industrialist?
There is no difference like that. They all are the same word, is just like the emerging trend. What the word you are using is little different. Like I can't say that these all are the exact same words. There is the requirement of the appropriate word in a sentence. For example, you are saying about the business. So entrepreneur is on another level. When you initiate something, it means you are struggling with a venture. जब आप कोई चीज़ स्टार्ट करते हो तो आपने देखा हो ना, इंटर्नशिप करनी है, जॉब करनी है, but it's a startup. They are also running a business, but when they have this huge, that's enterprise. The enterprise is the thing that we have. Entrepreneurship is the process, and entrepreneur is a person. Okay, and the industrialist that you ask, it's an industry, can be about anything. Like factories we have, industry हम किसी को भी बोल देते हैं, ठीक है, तो different words. Like steel industry we used to have before the freedom also. Anybody else? किसी को पूछना है कि क्या बिजनेस करना चाहिए? Anything else? From your own, yes or no, please? Say a no, ma'am. No, ma'am. I was expecting same. Okay, so that was it from my side. It was me, Anamika, from Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. If you have any query or concern, or you need any help, you can come to me anytime with an appointment. So thank you, and special thanks to all the faculties, to the directors are also, Dr. Abin Bakshi, and lovely colleagues that I met for the first time, I guess. So thank you so much. You have a lovely evening. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today, ma'am shared her invaluable thoughts with us that were really inspiring. She shared that how entrepreneurship is, it should be innovative, and how it leads to competition, and in a way how it creates jobs. And this all will lead to our economic growth. And one of the important things which I like personally, and I want to reiterate here, that ma'am said if you are doing something good for your family, ultimately you are doing something good for your community, and ultimately it leads to the goodness of your country. If you are doing something good for your family, good for your own, it leads to the overall economic development. So ma'am, I wholeheartedly thank you on the behalf of IMT College. I extend my vote of thanks to you. Thank you ma'am.